In this video, you will learn how to use remember and remind correctly. And you will also practice using remember and remind. Additionally, in the description, there's a link to the worksheet that accompanies this video. You can download the worksheet to keep all the information that's in the video. Try to answer the questions I ask. Watch the following video clips and match them with these sentences. 1. I remember the holiday I went on last year. 2. I've just remembered I need to buy milk. 3. Looking at photos reminded me of the holiday I went on last year. 4. Opening the fridge reminded me I need to buy milk. Here come the answers. Clip A matches with sentence 3. Looking at photos reminded me of the holiday I went on last year. Clip B matches with sentence 2. I've just remembered I need to buy milk. Clip C matches with sentence 4. Opening the fridge reminded me I need to buy milk. Clip D matches with sentence 1. I remember the holiday I went on last year. Look at the sentences again. For each sentence, match remember or remind with its meaning. Pause the video to give yourself time to think. Meaning A, to think of something that you have experienced in the past. Meaning B, somebody or something makes you think of something that you have to do now or in the future. Meaning C, somebody or something makes you think of something that you have experienced in the past. Meaning D, to think of something that you have to do now or in the future. Here come the answers. In sentence 1, remember matches with meaning A, to think of something that you have experienced in the past. In sentence 2, remember matches with meaning D, to think of something that you have to do now or in the future. In sentence 3, remind matches with meaning C. Somebody or something makes you think of something that you have experienced in the past. In sentence 4, remind matches with meaning B. Somebody or something makes you think of something that you have to do now or in the future. Choose the correct option to complete the rule. We use remember or remind when we think of something by ourselves. We use remember or remind when somebody else or something else makes us think of something. What do you think? We use remember when we think of something by ourselves. We use remind when somebody else or something else makes us think of something. If you find this video about the difference between remember and remind useful, subscribe to this channel so that you can get all my latest videos about other aspects of English that you might be unsure about. Pause the video and do this next practice exercise. Then play the video again to see the answers. Here come the answers. Practice using remember and remind more by writing sentences in the comments. If you like this video, check out this playlist about other English words that you might be using incorrectly. Or, more specifically, if you're not sure about the difference between remember followed by ing and remember followed by the infinitive, watch this video to find out. Good luck with your English!